An automatic single-head induction wad inserting machine is a specialized piece of equipment designed to efficiently and accurately insert induction wads into bottle caps. This process is crucial for ensuring product integrity and tamper evidence in various industries, particularly in the pharmaceutical and food and beverage sectors. Key features and components. 1. Single inserting head. The machine typically features a single inserting head that precisely positions and inserts the induction wad into the cap. 2. Cap feeder. A cap feeder mechanism, often a vibratory bowl, ensures a steady supply of caps to the inserting head. 3. Wad feeder, a separate wad feeder mechanism, usually a magazine or roll, supplies the induction wads to the inserting head. 4. Positioning system. A precise positioning system aligns the cap and wad for accurate insertion. 5. Inserting mechanism. A pneumatic or mechanical system actuates the insertion process, ensuring secure and consistent wad placement. 6. Inspection system. Some models may include an inspection system to verify the presence and correct placement of the wad in each cap. Working principle. 1. Cap feeding. Caps are fed from the vibratory bowl to the positioning system. 2. Wad feeding. Induction. Wads are fed from the magazine or roll to the inserting head. 3. Positioning. The cap and wad are precisely aligned by the positioning system. 4. Insertion. The inserting mechanism actuates, inserting the wad into the cap. 5. Inspection. Optional. The inserted cap may be inspected for proper wad placement. 6. Cap ejection. The capped bottle is then ejected from the machine.